Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add items to cart on Temu. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Temu app. Now as soon as you've opened up, this is how the interface gonna look like. Now go ahead, select the item that you would like to add in your cart. For example, this is the item. As soon as you've done that, you will find the option of add to cart popping up with the orange box at the bottom. Tap on add to cart, choose the color that you want, and tap on add to cart. Now the product has been added. I'm going to go ahead choose other products as well by going back and checking out the products at the bottom. So we're going to go, let's say this is the other product, and I'm going to tap on add to cart, which will also let me choose the color if the brand has available ones. Once I've chosen the one, I'm going to tap on add to cart. For that, I will have to check out the size as well. Let's say this is the one. Tap on add to cart, and there you go. Now I'm going to go back, and then I'm going to go to the home section, and I'm going to tap on the cart option at the bottom, and here I will be able to check out the products that I have added. I can tap on check out for the items, and I can simply go to this section of and pay for it and add them for the shipping. Right, that is how easy for you to add. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.